The move to virtualized data centers introduced customers to two new types of offerings: infrastructure as a service, commonly referred to as IaaS, and platform as a service, or PaaS. IaaS offerings provide raw compute, storage, and network capabilities organized virtually into resources that are similar to physical data centers. PaaS offerings, in contrast, bind code to libraries that provide access to the infrastructure that the application needs. This allows more resources to be focused on application logic. In the IaaS model, customers pay for the resources they allocate ahead of time. In the PaaS model, customers pay for the resources they actually use. As cloud computing has evolved, the momentum has shifted toward managed infrastructure and managed services. Leveraging managed resources and services allows companies to concentrate more on their business goals and spend less time and money on creating and maintaining their technical infrastructure. It allows companies to deliver products and services to their customers more quickly and reliably. Serverless is yet another step in the evolution of cloud computing. It allows developers to concentrate on their code rather than on server configuration by eliminating the need for any infrastructure management. Serverless technologies offered by Google include Cloud Functions, which manages event-driven code as a pay-as-you-go service, and Cloud Run, which allows customers to deploy their containerized microservices-based application in a fully managed environment. While it's outside the scope of this course, you might have heard about software as a service, SaaS, and wondered what it is and how it fits into the cloud ecosphere. Software as a service applications aren't installed on your local computer. Instead, they run in the cloud as a service and are consumed directly over the internet by end users. Popular Google applications such as Gmail, Docs, and Drive, that are part of Google Workspace, are all examples of SaaS.